Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and we are brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into the action. Palantir is surging in pre-market trading, up over 15% after the company absolutely crushed its second quarter expectations. We are seeing record growth in U.S. commercial revenue and all-time highs in operating margins, which has investors cheering. Amazon is also in the spotlight, hovering near its recent record highs after crossing the $3 trillion market cap milestone. The focus there remains on the massive $496 billion AWS order backlog and continued AI infrastructure spending. Meanwhile, Applied Optoelectronics is popping nearly 18%. The catalyst? Reports that the government is drafting a ban on Chinese data center hardware, which would funnel significant demand toward US-based manufacturers of high-speed optical components, like Applied Opt. Oracle is seeing some volatility, down slightly in the pre-market after a massive rally yesterday. That move was fueled by an expanded partnership with Google to bring Gemini AI models to more customers, alongside a record performance obligation backlog. Finally, NVDA is trading higher, continuing to act as a bellwether for the broader AI infrastructure trade, as investors position themselves for more growth in the semiconductor space. Looking at the broader market, U.S. futures are pointing higher today. The main story is the continued de-escalation of tensions in the Middle East, specifically reports that Iran and Oman are nearing a deal to reopen the Strait of Hormuz to commercial shipping. This is a massive structural win for global markets, as it helps ease the inflation and risk premium concerns that have weighed on sentiment all summer. Oil prices are down sharply again today as a result. Keep an eye on the JOLTS job openings data coming out later today, which will be a key test for the labor market narrative. In the AI economy, the build-out is clearly not slowing down. We have seen OpenAI partner with Clearlake Capital to accelerate AI adoption across their portfolio, and CoreWeave just announced its first data center expansion into Indonesia. On the security front, SNCC is launching new autonomous security tools to protect against AI-driven threats, while Air Test Systems just landed a major production order for its silicon photonics testing equipment, underscoring the shift toward higher bandwidth optical networking. Turning to stocks in focus, Caterpillar just reported a massive quarter, with revenue topping $20 billion for the first time in company history, driven by strong demand for equipment. On the flip side, McDonald's is seeing some pressure today after reporting a slowdown in U.S. same-store sales growth as consumers remain cautious with their spending. Merck also reported mixed results, with earnings impacted by charges related to recent business development activity. Remember to watch for AMD and SpaceX earnings after the closing bell today. To wrap things up, we have a very positive tone in the markets today, fueled by the potential reopening of the Strait of Hormuz and strong earnings from industrial leaders like Caterpillar. AI infrastructure remains the core leadership theme, even as we see tactical shifts in the tech sector. Thanks for tuning into FinPod. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if there was a specific sector or stock you want us to cover. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. See you tomorrow.